In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rename sequences. Sequences you'll find here in the timeline in these little tabs here. You can see currently the names of these sequences aren't very user-friendly. So when you drag in footage to create a sequence like this, you see it creates a sequence. The name of the sequence is going to be whatever the footage name is. To rename the sequences, so these tabs actually make more sense to you and you know what you're working with, you don't change the name over here in the timeline, you change it over here in the project bin. All you need to do is select any of the sequences. You can tell a sequence by this little blue icon. If you hover over it, you can see it says sequence. If you go into list view, if you prefer working in list view, you'll see the icon of this little sequencing here. Just select the sequence you want, and you can right-click on it and choose rename, or the easy way is just simply double-click on it. Now you see here, I have the option to change the name. I'm going to change the sequence one. That's going to be this first one here. And you watch as soon as I hit enter return, it's going to jump to the next one so I can easily change all the sequences in a row and hit enter, change the name. Turn that to sequence 2, hit enter, pretty cool. Sequence 3, hit enter. And then this one's sequence 4. And if they go out of order, all you need to do is simply drag them into the place you want. So I've got sequence 1, sequence 2, sequence 3, and sequence 4. So if you want to change the sequence name over here in the timeline, just find it over here in the bin by looking for that little blue icon. Double-click on the name of it, change the title, hit enter or return, and you'll see it changes over here in the timeline.